Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. As you all know, I'm in southern Spain trying to get through the winter without wet feet. I miss my sausages. So I ordered a meat grinder through the internet, making some sausages with it. So stay tuned for more. Got here 1.5 kilo or 1.6 kilo meat. It's pork belly and flank, whatever. So they got different cuts in Spain. So let's see. So I'm gonna put that back in the fridge. Slightly frozen, so I have to mix it. So get a good binding. When it's finished, looks like we got a little bit more fat today than regular. I'm waiting for a machine. I also order to do this kind of mixing because it's kind of tough on your fingers. And, yeah. So you usually do this till everything gets pretty sticky. Okay, put that back and get everything else ready. Here's the casing, 30 millimeter. Get the machine ready to fill. Well, I guess I don't need to show you the whole process of getting this one on. Aufnahme. And they're ready. I got 11 out of it. Look pretty good. They're a little white, so they got a lot of fat. Here we got German ambulance, 36 years old, just in case somebody gets sick from the sausage. No, I'm joking. This is it's like a big van, and they're on holiday during the winter. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you'll like the video. Give me a thumb up. Let me know if something doesn't turn out the way you would like it. I had some problems with the skin, with the casing. That was pretty tough. So it's probably because I forgot to add some ice water to the meat, so the skin is more cooked when it's on the barbecue. So it just needs to be very soft. Give it some time before you use the casing. You put it in water, lukewarm water, for at least an hour, depending if it is in salt water or if it's dry in salt. That takes pretty long before the salt comes out of the casing. Okay, that was it, and see you back in Spain soon. Okay, bye-bye.